Alden Richard update. Nasa taping si Alden ng Pulang Araw. May nagpa-picture pa nga kay Alden. Sabi, picture with Alden Richard, taping Pulang Araw. Iba talaga pag gwapo. Siyempre naman, Alden Richard yan. Ito pa yung post ni Aubrey Carampel. Sa taping ng Pulang Araw. Alden Richard balik taping na sa Pulang Araw. Nakalagay sa caption. Eduardo de la Cruz, Mario and Juan. Behind the scene ng Pulang Araw. Nandiyan din si Kulot. Makapalaban na si Eduardo de la Cruz laban sa mga Hapon. In-interview pa nga siya ni Miss Aubrey Carampel. Ito yung panayam ni Alden sa kanyang interview.
It's always been worth it naman, and kumbaga parang, of course it's tiring physically, but yung the mere fact that you're blessed with work and you're able to do all those things in a short span of time, na nakakatawa rin kasi at least na-cover ko siya. Nagawa natin siya kahit marami tayong ginagawa on the side. Ramdam natin yung pagmamahal ng mga global Pinoys. I felt a little bit sentimental, of course, with the place, and ang haba ng time na magkakasama kami doon. So parang nagulat ako na in an instant, tapos na pala siya. Mas naging solid, mas naging close, mas nakilala namin yung isa't isa, and at the same time parang, you really get to know the person once you get to work with her in a setup na matagal magkasama. When it comes to Joy and Ethan naman, parang without giving much spoiler, this is a more mature take on both characters. Nakakatuwa po na maraming sumusuporta at nagagandahan sa aming trabaho. Kung anong ilagay sa akin, kung anong duming ipatong dyan, game tayo dyan. Kung saan ako pagugulungin o kung ano mang magulungan natin sa This project has a higher calling for all of us. Parang nakakahiya na hindi mag-perform. Parang hindi namin pwedeng i-take for granted yung chances namin na in every scene that we do is a part of Philippine history being told to the audience.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell kung na-update po ang Richard Reaction Vlog by guys team for what